Feels like a Sunday to me. Let's TN. Thank you. So I'm on T189 LJ60 ATN on 250 to West Croydon. So these buses will get withdrawn soon. They're going to be replaced by brand new electroliners fully. I believe there are some, few of them, just like small minority of them just waiting service. So these are the last.
Okay, you're doing the vid, Sam?
Yeah.
Oh, night tech, please. Yeah. Saw the yellow one you got in it.
So yeah, do catch one of them if you can before it goes, as it's not going to be long now until these leave London, South London as well.
What's your favourite colour in the night tech, please? Tracksuit.
My favourite would have to be.
Just right now.
Right now has to be my. I think my red. I'll say I like my red.
Like your red,
it's
yeah.
My red and.
What about blue?
Yeah, my red. I say red's have to be. Yeah, my red. Something red is different.
Is that your favourite colour, yeah?
Yeah, red, purple, and.
What's going on? What? There must be an event. No, but the feds are always here though. Every time I come here, I always see it. What is it like? Festival? What is a festival?
So yeah, guys, I'm going to do an interview with my other mates that will join me today. I'm going to do an interview. So yeah, guys, what do you fortunately say about these buses going to be leaving?
I'm feeling sad because I like the engine in it.
Same
I'm
here.
gonna miss them.
Yeah, these buses are nostalgic, but it's a shame that they're going because I've grew up most of my life on the Enviro 400s.
Yeah, same here. I grew up with them, especially the LX 400s.
And they're good acceleration, you know.
Yeah, some of them are, but some of them they don't have better acceleration because they're in limp mode.
But like overall, the orange pole ones had good acceleration.
Yeah, exactly. The 08 wedge, the Tridents.
No, but I would say these I would say this is good.
Yeah.
But we're gonna miss them.
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
Yeah.
You know, all good things must come to an end.
They are my favourite buses, to be honest.
Yeah.
That never used to be there.
Sam, let me say another thing, man.
Okay.
Yeah, so just know when these Enviros go, you lot are gonna miss them, yeah? Because I'm telling you, this acceleration on it is so good. It's just as good as the ALX, so I think I'll miss these, bro.
Exactly what my mate said.
Exactly. Remember what I said, you will miss it.
Yes,
Remember
indeed.
that. So enjoy it whilst it's still around.
I do catch it if you possibly
Catch it
can.
whilst you can.
Do catch it because it's not going to be long now.
Exactly, tell them again.
There's a road called Hater Road. Trinity Academy. Is that like a college?
That is a college. Land of College.
That college is down that way.
Oh yeah. 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 They upgraded that one. Catholic Church. Yeah. You used to go to that church?
Then I
Oh, you still go to church? Okay.
those are you lives down there.
Oh, yeah. Oh. What, they changed the colour? Wow.
And to be aware, I think this bus was new in Norwood Garage. If I can guess that,
Was
because
this in Norwood? But check the bus code, bro.
yeah,
You sure? Huh?
because the T189 something don't normally work on these this route, because the first one were worked on. I believe it was the the Model 2 bus as well, and the 198, 289, etc. It's 157 as well.
Oh, yeah.
Coming up to Brixton Hill, I grew up around here.
Yep, and Streatham.
Yeah, we're not far from Streatham as well.
Brixton Hill, we're going towards Streatham now. Oh, swear.
They keep me up, do some shoots, I do that.
Oh, what happened? But they kicked you out. Oh.
Don't go to Lambeth, that's a waste of money.
Yeah.
Do you mind to lower the music?
Oh, was it in one of those buildings?
Yeah.
If there's any boy playing music, do you mind to lower it down a bit?
Because you're doing it. How long are you doing the
Because I'm just worried that my video will get copyrighted.
Okay. You're not editing it out. How long are you doing the video for, bro?
I'm doing it for like 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Okay.
I remember when the 159 went to Paddington.
Oh, yeah. I remember that as well.
I like it better when the 159 went to Paddington.
Yeah. Also preferred it when it had the VLAs.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I miss them, man.
Yeah, coming up and down here. It's nice for you when you come up here. Best time. Oh, they changed the gear as well.
Oh yeah, it looks way different back then. And that's Brixton Prison there.
Oh, that's Brixton Prison.
Yeah. New Park Road, yes.
Oh, good that coming to Streatham, man, where my family actually live. My older brothers there, and your primary school there. Okay.
Yeah, down this road's where the school is.
All right.
The Trinity.
So many landmarks.
My brothers went.
Your brothers?
Yeah. My brothers went to the Trinity.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Oh, you lived on this side of Brixton.
Yeah, right next to Streatham. Wow.
Yeah, Rootal, yeah.
And had the Morley's here.
Oh, they had the movies there.
There
What
it is.
happened though? Is it abandoned? They don't open though.
Private schools come here. Yeah, but
You know, I've never seen that open. Why is it abandoned?
because we're near 10 plus years.
10 plus years. They might as well get rid of that completely. Morley's always been a South London thing, man. It came from South Morley's. Still to this day.
Streatham Hill.
Yeah. Streatham Hill. William Hill. I don't gamble on football, man.
Never do.
Your life's on the line, and you know.
Never
you have to try and
gamble.
win back your money.
Never gamble on football.
I never do.
I never even know what
Yeah. I just rather watch football and see what happens. Bookies.
Yeah, they call it the bookies, yeah.
Yeah, the bookies.